I have no confidence whatsoever in Bitcoin being any kind of a big universal currency.
It's not a currency. I mean, it does not meet the test of a currency. I wouldn't be surprised if it's not around in 10 or 20 years. It's a method of transmitting money. It's a very effective way of transmitting money, and you can do it anonymously and all that. A check is a way of transmitting money, too. Our checks are worth a whole lot of money just because they can transmit money. Our money orders, you can transmit money by money orders. People do it. I hope Bitcoin becomes a better way of doing it, but you can replicate it a bunch of different ways, and it will be. The idea that it has some huge intrinsic value is just a joke, in my view. In terms of cryptocurrencies, generally, I can say almost with certainty that they will come to a bad ending. Now, when it happens or how or anything else, I don't know. But I know this, if I could buy long-term puts, if I could buy a 5-year put on every one of the cryptocurrencies, I'd be glad to do it. But I would never short a dime's worth. We don't own any, we're not short any, we'll never have a position. I think that anytime you buy a non-productive asset, you are counting on somebody else later on to buy a non-productive asset because they think they can sell it to somebody for more money. And it's been tried with tulips, and it's been tried with various things over time, and it does come to a bad ending.
To me, it's just dementia, and I think the people who are professional traders that go into trading cryptocurrencies, it's just disgusting. It's like somebody else is trading turds, and you decide I can't be left out.
When I was tweeting the things that you and Charlie were saying about this weekend, all I was doing was repeating what you were saying, and people were coming back with some pretty angry comments, including things like, I bought a house buying cryptocurrency, you're outdated on this. They said a lot meaner things, that you don't understand it, so you should shut up about it. You're not.
Well, the interesting thing is if you're investing, you don't worry whether people say, if I'm investing in Apple, I love the idea of people saying Apple is terrible because I want the stock to go down because they're repurchasing shares and my interest will go up faster. You don't get defensive if you're buying something that produces that. You get defensive when you look at this thing and it doesn't do anything. Right. You're just hoping somebody comes along to pay you more tomorrow or the next day, and you're dependent on more people, the mob growing, basically. So those people do get angry.
Has your position changed on Bitcoin?
No, I mean, it's too bad, but Bitcoin, it's ingenious, and blockchain is important, but Bitcoin has no unique value at all. It doesn't produce anything. You can stare at it all day, and no little Bitcoins come out or anything like that. It's a delusion, basically.
So we've gone from rat poison squared to a delusion.
Well,
kind of an upgrade.
Yeah, I don't. Who knows where we'll be next year?